All right, it's Thursday. We're here at the Golden Star booth inside the Goodguys Fort Worth Nationals. We got this truck wiped down. Dan back here in the background still wiping. We're looking good. So yeah, we're ready for the show to start tomorrow. It's a Friday, Saturday show, and we'll be here vending. So we'll see how what kind of traffic comes through here. Check out this brand new C10. All right, it's day one at the Goodguys Lonestar Nationals here in Fort Worth, Texas. We're here early, got the booth set up, looking good. Golden Star Classic Auto Parts. So hope we'll have a good day. It looks like the rain is kind of gone away for today at least. So hopefully there'll be a lot of good foot traffic. See a lot of cool folks, a lot of awesome vendors here. So yeah, excited about setting up Gold Star. All right, guys, it's day two at the Goodguys Lonestar Nationals here in Fort Worth, Texas at the Speedway. We're pulling in. A lot of rain. It's pretty rainy today, so fortunately Dan got us an inside booth, as you've seen, so we're not going to be out in it. I've still got a little poncho on because it has come quite a storm. There's actually a small tornado, it sounds like, just north of us this morning. So we'll see what kind of foot traffic we get today, but we're here and we're excited about it either way. See what inside looks like.